Morning, YouTubers. What's up? Your little knife here just picked up. It's not assisted open. Called a Redhead. Marcada handles. Guess that's Marcada. Feels like it. No idea where it's made or what it's made from. Some kind of stainless. It does have an edge on it. Pretty neat little old knife. Well, the blade looks like 3 1/4 to me. About a little over 4-inch handle. No idea what that means. GBDB5. No idea. There's a few of these on YouTube. Well, folks, good to see y'all on Thursday. Be safe, stay warm. God bless you, and please subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.